Alright, here it is, all basically done. Just a few little things to finish up. Got the gas tank all redone here. There's a new cap on top. Intake has been redone. Carburetor, new sediment bowl on there. Oil filter. Starters refurbished. Got new lights. New wiring harness installed. Under the dash there, everything's all new. Here's your dash and controls, all redone. New steering wheel, ammeter, temperature, oil pressure, tachometer. This new starter switch, new shift boot, there's a new shift knob that was missing before. Here's your new reverse light. Hydraulic hoses are all new. Here's the hoses coming out of the controls. Got new hoses up front on the ram, rear rams also. New lines on the hydraulic pump. There's a new steering rod end. There you got a brand new distributor, new coil, more new wiring, new plugs and wires. Here's a new fuel tap that fixed your fuel leak you had before. It's got new hard fuel lines between that and the carburetor. It's a new battery. New hold down for that also to keep it in place. New oil pressure gauge line running there up into the new gauge. This wiring is all kind of temporarily tied up since the bodywork's missing, so you can put that where it's supposed to be once you put the bodywork on. Some more new hydraulic lines, some in the back here. Headlights and rear light now work off a switch like they're supposed to. And the rear light has a switch on the housing. There it is. Okay, and back off. And it actually starts off a key now instead of that push button somebody put on there. So there's your key. Got a new starter solenoid. New terminal block in here. And lots of other little things I'm probably forgetting right now. So let's fire it up and see how it runs. Alright, it's starting cold and I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. I'm going to turn the key on, give it a little choke, and then you're going to hit your starter switch right here. Make sure it's in neutral. There it goes. Tachometer. Shows a positive charge. It means the battery's taking a charge right now. Turn on the headlights, you'll see it dip down. Back off. Temperature, go cold. Oil pressure is great. Got motor controls over here. Up, plug it down, plug it up, load her back down. Alright, take it for a little drive. Had all the fluids changed, fresh grease in all the ball joints. Got your rear controls here, bring it up, back down. Be a little slow going down without any weight on it. Back up, down. So that's about it. She's all fully functional.